ये है रेडियो मानो 90.0 FM। चलो बात करके देखते हैं।
Let's listen to Chronicles of the Past.
Hello and welcome, dear listeners. You have just tuned into our show, Chronicles of the Past, where we discuss important historical events that took place on the same day in history. Today is the 28th of August, and the facts are as follows. In 1904, India saw its first organized car rally from Calcutta to Barrackpore on this day, marking the beginning of automobile enthusiasm in the country. 1986 on this day, Bhagyashree Sathe created history by becoming India's first female chess grandmaster, breaking into the male-dominated world of chess. In 2017 on this day, ace shuttler PV Sindhu made the nation proud by winning a silver medal at the World Badminton Championships. In 1937 on this day, Toyota, one of the world's leading automobile brands, became an independent company on this day in Japan. In 1963, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. delivered his iconic I Have a Dream speech at the Lincoln Memorial, becoming a defining moment in the American civil rights movement. Dear listeners, that's all for today's segment of Chronicles of the Past. I am your host and RJ Himanjali signing off. We will meet you again with more interesting discussions and facts. So please stay tuned to Radio Manu 90.0 FM.
आप सुन रहे थे Chronicles of the Past.